Welcome students, I am Ajay Kumar Mishra from Arya College of Engineering and Information Technology. This is Radar and TV Engineering subject for EC 8th semester students. Today we will discuss about unit number 5 and the topic which we will cover under this unit number 5 is liquid crystal display or LCD. LCD is a very well known display which we will see on the TV screens or the smartphone screens and many other places. So we will start from the LCD. Liquid crystal display or LCD is a flat panel display or other electronically modulated optical device that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals combined with polarizers. So we can see that it does not employ light directly, but it will generate with the help of liquid crystals. So liquid crystals do not emit light directly, instead using a backlight or reflector to produce images in color or monochrome. So basically there are liquid crystals which are in between the screens. When the light comes towards them, then the light will strike the surface behind the crystals, and then it will strike on the liquid crystals, and then liquid crystals will work or will glow or illuminate or become bright with the help of this backlight or this reflected light. The general characteristics of the LCD: each pixel of an LCD typically consists of a layer of molecules aligned between two transparent electrodes and two polarizing filters, the axes of transmission of which are perpendicular to each other. Or basically we can say that there are two screens. In between there is a gel type or a liquid gel type structure, and in that liquid type gel the pixels or crystals are being arranged. Without the liquid crystal between the polarizing filters, light passing through the first filter would be blocked by the second crossed polarized. So these are a polarizer. So we have to make it sure that one has to be perpendicular to other. The common implementations of LCD backlight technologies are: these are the implementation where the LCD technology is being used. First one is CCFL or cold cathode fluorescent lamps. So this is one of the major application. And second one is edge lit white LED, that is ELWLED. Third one is white LED array or WLED array. Fourth one is RGB LED array. And now we will talk about the specifications, that what the things make it different from other displays. So the specifications are: resolution. The resolution is the number of pixels on vertical and horizontal axis or vertical and horizontal screen. It will make the picture clearer. Number of pixels are more than the picture quality is better. Spatial performance, it's also connected with the with the quality of the signal or the video or picture. Temporal performance, this is the thing or the this is the quality which helps to make the improvement in the signal. And due to this, LCD is also having a good quality of picture. Color performance, the color combination in the LCD displays are also very well, and this is also a this is also a very good feature of the LCD display. The brightness is also in consideration in the LCD display, and the contrast ratio, the ratio which decides the picture is or the video is more realistic or not. It is also consideration in the LCD display. Then the working structure of LCD. This is the working structure of LCD. Here we can see that the light ray is coming from a backlight source. The last slide from where the light is reflected back, and then the polarizer is there from where it is going through, light is going through the polarizer. Then there is glass sheet which will uh, which will allow to light to go through the negative electrode, and then it will go towards the liquid crystal. Then the light will pass through the positive electrode, and then there is a glass sheet, and then the same things are there, then polarizer, and then the displayed image. So this is the thing, this is the rule how the LCD display is worked and how the light will go all through the LCD display. So there are the advantages. Every display or everything has some advantages and disadvantages. So the LCD have, so first advantage is it's very compact, it's very thin and very lightweight. It's really a very good advantage. Second one is it consume a very low power. It will operate on a very low power. And third one is no refresh rate flicker. So it assures that there will be no flickering in the is on the screen. And the disadvantages are, we can say that the response time of the display is very slow. So it will break the signal, or we can see the borders. We can see it also that the borders are visible. Then the fixed, second one is fixed bit depth or color depth. So color is not so much good, or we can say that it's uncomfortable. A bit of a little sometime it becomes uncomfortable for human eye, colors mainly. And third one is dead or stuck pixels, means after some time there is a some portion of the screen will become black or unvisible due to these dead or stuck pixels. This is also a problem of the LCD screen. So in this lecture, I hope you understand clearly about all the features and specifications of LCD display. So we will meet in next lecture. Till then, thank you.